Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to earn USDT in Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, the first thing that you need to have is a Binance verified account. If you haven't already created your account on Binance, simply create one and make sure to verify your account. Now, once you have successfully created your account and logged in, you just have to tap on the Binance icon at the left and you will be on this page. Here, you will an earn option. Simply click on it. Here you will see an option to earn USDT with an APR of up to 6.71%. Tap on this option and it will redirect you to the next page where you can stake your USDT and earn rewards in return. Now it will ask you how much USDT you want to stake. You can either select the maximum amount or enter a specific amount as per your convenience. After that, tap on the confirm button at the bottom. This way, your USDT will be staked and you will earn up to 6.71% interest on that USDT. This means you are able to earn USDT using your existing funds. So that's basically how you can earn USDT in Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.